What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cassie. If this is your first time here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I got this really pretty chocolatey, bronze, copper, everything fall goodness look. So if you want to see how I did it, just keep watching. But before we get started, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please click please click that subscribe button. It would really mean a lot to me. And yeah, I hope you guys stick around and enjoy. So let's go. In this video, I didn't want to bore you guys with having to watch me apply my foundation for the millionth time, so I'm going to go ahead and speed past this process. But if you are new to my channel and you want to see how I apply my foundation, concealer, contour, bronzer, all that fun stuff, then I will link a video for you in the cards. So yeah, I just wanted to get to the fun stuff because what the heck, can I not talk today? Anyways, I just want to get to the fun stuff, which is the eyes, lips, highlight. So let's get started. I'm going to use the Morphe 350 palette again. I know I used it in my last tutorial, but there's just some colors in here that I don't have in other palettes, like this really pretty bright orange, and I really want to use it. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So starting off with that really pretty bright orange right here, I'm going to go ahead and put that in my crease. Now I'm going to take this shade right here just to deepen up the crease just a little bit. I'm going to go back in with the orange just a little bit and fill that in because I don't want it to get lost, because I want it to be like a nice gradient. Alright, now taking a little bit of a tighter blending brush, I'm going to go in with this color right here in the corner, and I'm going to put that in the outer corner and then bring it in just a little bit to deepen up just a little bit more. And this does have a little bit of shimmer in it, but I thought it was like a really pretty color. Okay, that brush sucks. And I'm not being too precise with these shadows because I want it to be kind of blown out and just like look kind of effortless. Alright, and now I'm going to go in with a flat brush, and with that same shade, I'm just going to pack it on the inner part of my lid. Just so the color is a little bit more intense. Okay, now going in with another flat brush, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna take this shade right here, which is really pretty. Sorry, I'm holding it kind of weird. This is where it is in the palette. It's such a pretty copper rose gold color, and I'm gonna put that right in the center of the lid where we kind of have that open space. Right, I'm just going to go back in with a blending brush. I'm not picking up any shadow. This is the one that I used to apply the first two colors into the crease. And I'm just going to kind of control that shimmer just a little bit so it's not getting too wild in the crease. Right, now for the lower lash line, I'm going to go into the two colors that we used in the crease, which is this one and then this top one right here. And I'm just going to drag those two along the bottom. Alright, so now I'm going to take, which shade do I want in my inner corner? I think I'm going to take this one, which is like a pure rose gold color, and I'm going to put this in my inner corner, and then I'm also going to highlight my brow bone with that as well. Alright, it's actually a little frosty, so I'm going to go in with this, which one? That one or like a gold? I think I'm gonna go in with this one, which is like a pure gold right here, sorry, right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply that just right over it, because I don't want to get away from the warm tones in the eye with this icy inner highlight. Okay, so now with that gold color, that's what I'm going to use to highlight my brow bone. All right, we are done with the eyes for now, so I'm going to zoom you guys back out, and then we are going to finish this face. Okay, so now for blush, I'm going to take this LA Colors, or no, LA Colors, LA Girl Just Blushing Blush. I thought this was really, I can't get it open. Oh, I thought this was really pretty because it's like a pink and gold blush. So I thought it was really, really nice. And I'm just going to pop that on my cheeks. And I'm also going to use this as a highlighter as well. Okay, I don't see any pink. All right, I don't see any pink. So I'm going to use my Ride or Die, which is my Milani blush in Rose d'Oro. And yeah, because I just see gold, which it's pretty, but it ain't no blush. I don't see no pink. Hello? Why can't I open things? I'm going to go ahead and add some mascara, and I'm just going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I really need to purchase the full size of this because I really like it. I think it's bomb. I've also seen a bunch of videos of people using the Caution mascara from Hourglass. So I'm kind of debating whether I want to get the full size of this one or get that one, because that one looks freaking phenomenal as well. And I'm not wearing eyeliner because I just don't want to. I don't know. And I feel like my eyelashes are so dark and they're so thick that like I don't need eyeliner. I don't want to close my eyes in anymore. Oh no! Oh my god, this big old blob of mascara right there. Moving on to the lips, I'm going to go ahead and line my lips using the Colourpop BFF3 Lip Liner. Rude, my battery just died. So like I was saying, I think I'm gonna go with the LA Girl I'm gonna go with the LA Girl lipstick just because it's a little bit more full coverage than this brown one. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use this one, and this is in the shade Spicy. Oh, it feels really good. Okay, so I really, really love this color. I think it looks so good. It's so like chocolatey. It just, like I could eat it. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my face using my Morphe Continuous Mist. Like, why would I buy another type of setting spray? Why? This is the GOAT. This is the GOAT. Alright guys, that is the finished look. I hope you like it. I love it. This is really like doing something for me right now. Like all these purple, brown, orange, like just rich colors is what I absolutely live for, and I'm so happy it is fall. Even though it is 94 degrees outside, I live in South Florida. We don't really get seasons, but we ain't gonna talk about that. That's okay. Like whatever, we're just gonna keep it pushing. It's good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. I would love to talk to you guys, you know, get to know you. Follow me on Instagram. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye. Ah! I always get lipstick on my teeth. Would it be a video if I did not get lipstick on my teeth? Like,